Hey friends, welcome to our channel. We will be starting with the Azerbaijan series, and in this video I will be showing you my apartment that we booked in Baku through Airbnb. It's a very centrally located apartment which is just like 10 minutes walk to Nizami Street and 5 minutes walk to the metro station. So let's check it out guys. This is how we enter into the main building. Our apartment was located on the third floor and there was no elevator inside. As you enter, the first thing you see is the kitchen. It's a very beautifully designed kitchen by our host, and she has provided all the things which we required either for short stays or for long stays. The reason we book Airbnb is because we can cook up by ourselves. Being a vegetarian, it's a huge plus for us. You can see that she has provided a lot of cutleries. There's also a huge amount of plates. Let me show you. Also, there is a big fully automatic washing machine. Before heading towards the living room, let me first show you the bathroom. It wasn't a huge one, but was nicely done with enclosed shower room which prevented from water splashing on the floor. So this is the living room area. But guys, first let me take you to the bedroom. It is a very huge room with comfortable king size bed and two big wardrobes where you can stuff your things easily. The another good feature of this room is this large window which help keep this room bright and nice. Overall it is nice and cozy room. Another cool feature of this apartment is the sofa bed. It's a huge plus as we just pull it out and watch some Netflix. This is the dining table, but it also serves as our work desk. As you know, we mostly travel and work. A smart TV, which is our sole entertainment during our work hours. This is clothes dryer stand. Now let's check out the balcony. It's a very quiet and peaceful neighborhood. that there is the F Mall and also Frisco supermarket for grocery shopping. So guys, hopefully you like this video, and I will be leaving the link to this apartment in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.